Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Technical Rafi. Today we are going to learn about PlanSwift software and we will see that how to create new project in PlanSwift. So, first of all, what is PlanSwift? PlanSwift is a construction takeoff and estimating software, used by construction companies and estimators to efficiently calculate material and labor costs for their projects. It allows users to measure digital plans and blueprints directly on their computer screens. Here are the steps to open a new project in PlanSwift. Number 1. Open the PlanSwift software on your computer. Number 2. On the PlanSwift interface, look for the option to create a new project. This is usually prominently displayed on the main screen or accessible through the File menu. Number 3. Provide necessary project details such as project name, location, and other relevant information in the Setup window. Number 4. Upload digital plans or blueprints for the project by either dragging and dropping the files into the software, or using the file upload option within the software. Number 5. Use the scaling tools to ensure that the uploaded plans are accurately sized within the software. This is crucial for accurate measurements and calculations. Number 6. Choose the appropriate measurement tools for the type of construction work being estimated, such as linear, area, or count tools, depending on the elements in the plans. Number 7. Begin measuring and taking off quantities from the uploaded plans using the selected measurement tools. Number 8. Save the project frequently to ensure that all the measurements and calculations are securely stored. These steps will enable you to open a new project in PlanSwift and start using its features for construction takeoff and estimation. Stick with us and subscribe channel for watching this kind of amazing content. Thanks you for watching.